Hi students, welcome to Vidyanagar online classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 18, pollution of air and water. Before discussing it further, I think you might know that Taj Mahal, which is in Agra, is one of the seven wonders of the world. But you may get disappointed to hear that the beauty of this monument, which is in marble, is threatened by air pollution. You might have heard that our elders used to talk about the clean water and fresh air they used to get. But now we all are aware of the quality of air and water we used to get. So today we are going to discuss about air pollution. So first of all, we should know the composition of air. That means which gases are present in air. As we all know that air is a mixture of gases. Okay? So look at this pie chart in the picture. 78% of this mixture is nitrogen and 21% is about oxygen and some other gases like CO2, that is carbon dioxide, methane, argon and water vapor, etc. They are present in very small quantities, about 1%. So maximum is nitrogen, that is about 78%, then oxygen, which is about 21%, and then some other gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, etc. They are present in very small quantity, about 1%. So this is the composition of air. But when this air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have a harmful effect on both living and non-living things, not only on living things but also on non-living things, then it is an air pollution. Understood? What is an air pollution? When air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have a harmful effect on both living and non-living things, that is an air pollution. Understood? Now let us discuss about how does air get polluted. That means what are the causes of air pollution. Okay. So first of all, you should know about air pollutants. What are air pollutants? The substances which contaminate the air, or you can say the substances which pollute the air are called air pollutants. Such substances may come from natural sources like smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruption. Okay, and some pollutants are also added to air by human activities, certain human activities. So what can be other sources? Yes, like factories, power plants, automobiles, burning of firewood and dung cakes, they also cause air pollution. Okay, so these are some natural and man-made sources which causes air pollution. Understood? And due to this air pollution, many respiratory problems are caused. As you know, the number of vehicles are increasing day by day. And what vehicles produce? Vehicles produce high level of pollutants like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide and smoke. And do you know how carbon monoxide is produced? Carbon monoxide is produced from incomplete burning of fuels such as petrol and diesel. And this carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. If we inhale carbon monoxide, the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood would reduce. Then another cause of air pollution is smoke. Do you know what is smoke? Smoke is made up of smoke and fog. Okay? Smoke and fog. It is made up of smoke and fog. You all know about smoke, but what is fog? You might have seen a thick layer in atmosphere, especially in winters, that is fog. Okay, so smoke contains oxides of nitrogen and which combines with other air pollutants and fog, and that form smoke. Okay, and this smoke causes air pollution, and due to this smoke various breathing difficulties are also caused like cough, asthma, etc. Okay, so this smoke is also responsible for air pollution. Then as you know, the number of industries are increasing day by day. So these industries are also responsible for air pollution. Then another cause of air pollution are petroleum refineries. These petroleum refineries are major source of gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. And this sulfur dioxide is produced by the combustion of fuels like coals in power plants. And it can cause respiratory problems, including permanent lung damage. Then other kinds of pollutants are chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs. Do you know where CFCs are used? Yes, CFCs are used in refrigerators, air conditioners, etc. And you know that ozone layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. And these CFCs also damage the ozone layer of the atmosphere. So these CFCs are also responsible for air pollution. But nowadays, less harmful chemicals are being used in place of CFCs. Then automobiles which burn petrol and diesel, they also produce very tiny particles which remain in air for the long time. And these particles causes air pollution. And if we inhale these particles, they can cause various diseases. These tiny particles are also produced during steel making and mining. Then another cause of air pollution are the power plants. You know that power plants give out tiny ash particles, and these tiny ash particles also pollute the air. So these are some causes of air pollution. I hope you understood it. Now let us discuss about the case study of the Taj Mahal. As you all know, I have already told you that air pollution not only have a harmful effect on the living things, but it also affect the non-living things like monuments, buildings, etc. And the Taj Mahal, which is India's most famous tourist attraction, has become a matter of concern. Experts have warned that the pollutants of air are discoloring the marble of the Taj Mahal. The marble of the Taj Mahal is becoming yellowish. The industries in and around Agra like rubber processing industries and the petroleum refineries in Mathura, they produces gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. And when these gases react with water vapor present in the atmosphere, they form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. What they form? They form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. And when the rain occurs, these acids drop down along with the rain. And this is called acid rain. And this acid rain, when falls on the marbles of the Taj Mahal, it corrodes the marbles of the Taj Mahal. And this phenomenon is called marble cancer. Okay, so in this way the air pollution is threatening the beauty of the Taj Mahal. So now the Supreme Court has taken various steps to save the beauty of the Taj Mahal. Supreme Court have ordered the industries which are near to the Taj Mahal to switch to the cleaner fuels like CNG and LPG. Do you know what is CNG? Yes, compressed natural gas. And what is LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. So Supreme Court have ordered the industries around the Taj Mahal to switch over to these cleaner fuels. Moreover, the automobiles should also switch over to the unleaded petrol in the Taj zone. So what all topics we have discussed today? First of all, we discussed about air, what is the composition of air. Then we discussed about air pollution, and then we discussed about the causes of air pollution, and finally we discussed about the case study of the Taj Mahal. So that is all in today's class. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.